Hello, everyone. Good morning. I am here again with another video on IELTS speaking. So, in the last session, we kind of discussed about how do we answer questions for part one when the questions are mainly about the weather conditions or even food. All right. Okay. So we will see some more questions which probably come on the day of the speaking test. Okay. Well, so let's say about weather conditions. If the examiner asks you a simple question like, what kind of weather do you usually find in your native? Okay. So let's say this question is very simple to answer on a day-to-day basis, but on the day of exam, we may get a little nervous here. So what kind of words we can use here for it? So let's say, for example, we use words like sunny or, it's cold, it's biting cold, scorching sun, and maybe moderate weather conditions, or you can talk about extreme weather conditions, right? Sultry, humid. Got it? So these are the kind of words that you're supposed to use when you talk about the answers or giving answers for these questions. So suppose, let's try now. So if the answer is like this. Okay, so let me repeat the question. So the question is, what kind of weather do you find in your native? So the answer could be that, well, I mostly find moderate weather conditions in my native since it's neither very close to a hill or it's a coastal area. So it's mostly throughout the year a moderate weather where it's neither too hot nor it's too cold, and it mostly offers very pleasant weather throughout the year, which makes it very cozy most of the time. And not only that, it has not changed for many years now, and it has been the same as it's very close to natural places like a forest, or it could be a small stream, I can say. So that's why my hometown really offers a pleasant and moderate weather conditions mostly. All right. So a natural way of like this answering would help you to understand how you can be a little more fluent with what you are trying to say, and how confidently we can answer this. So I gave you the idea for vocabulary, like what kind of words we can use here, and also how your answer can be structured. Okay. So first you can mention what kind of weather it is, and later you can add up a reason for that. Okay. So as I kind of added a reason here that it's very close to kind of a natural place like a forest. Okay. So it need not be factually correct, so don't worry about it. All right. So I'll be coming back with more sample answers like this for all the sections in speaking and even for listening, reading, and writing as well. Okay. So stay tuned, stay in touch. So don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you very much.